Having trouble logging into Kmart.com? Hi everyone, it's me Mekrant back again with another tutorial video. So without any delay, let's start the video. Open your web browser. Launch your preferred web browser on your computer. You can use browsers like Google Chrome, Brave, Safari, etc. Visit the Kmart website. Type kmart.com into the address bar at the top of your browser windows and press enter. This will take you to the official Kmart website. Locate the sign in button. On the Kmart homepage, look for the sign in or account button. This is usually located at top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Enter your credential. You will be directed to login page. Here you will need to enter your registered email address and password in the respective field. Click on the login button. After entering your email address and password, double check to ensure they are correct. Then click on login or sign in button below the login field. Verify your account if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may be required to complete a verification step. It could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number associated with your Kmart account. Access your account. Once you have successfully logged in, you will be redirected to your account dashboard or homepage. Now you are logged in. From here you can access order history, manage your account setting or shop for products. That's it, you have successfully logged into your Kmart account. Remember to keep your login credentials secure to avoid sharing them with anyone. If this video was helpful, press the like button and comment down below. Also, for more easy tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel.